anxiously. With worry or nervousness. I watched the game anxiously. She waited anxiously for the exam results. Generously. Kindly or giving a lot. She generously shared her food. He generously gave money to the poor. Fearfully. Doing something with fear. She opened the door fearfully. The cat looked fearfully at the dog. Recklessly. Without thinking about danger. The boy recklessly crossed the road. He drove recklessly on the wet road. Bravely. To do something with courage, without fear. The soldier fought bravely. The child walked bravely in the dark. Mournfully. In a sad or sorrowful way. She looked mournfully at the broken toy. He spoke mournfully about his lost friend. Urgently. In a very important or immediate way. He urgently called the doctor. They urgently tried to fix the broken pipe. Discreetly. To do something quietly. She discreetly left the room. They spoke discreetly in the corner. Jokingly. saying or doing something as a joke. He jokingly hit his friend with a pillow. He jokingly called his friend a king. Softly. In a gentle or quiet way. She softly sang a song. She spoke softly to her student.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!